डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक करेंगे मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ स्टेम। सबसे पहले स्टेम, इट इज़ above ground erect ascending part of plant body that develop from the plumule of embryo. Then इसकी modification of stem, that means changes in the form and function to suit varied need like storage of food. किसके लिए होती है मॉडिफिकेशन? और स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड, या फिर रिपीटिव ग्रोथ, या फिर सर्वाइवल थ्रू अनफेवरेबल सीजन, वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन एंड मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट, प्रोटेक्शन लाइक एंड फोटोसिंथेसिस. There are different types of modification occur in the aerial, subaerial and underground stem. First of all, modification in the aerial stem. It is through three types: reduced, erect and weak. Reduced modification, that is small disc shape, non-green disc shape, that is occur in the vegetative propagation, that is reduced stem, for example carrot and turnip. Erect stem, that is common aerial stem, that means stem are sufficiently strong to remain erect or upright without any external support, for example maize or wheat and mango. Weak stem, it means stem are thin, soft, very weak. Stem cannot stand erect without any support. It means it require support. This is about the aerial stem. Then underground stem, that is underground stem modification through five types: sucker, special non-green slender stem which arise from the underground base of erect shoot, that is crown, this one sucker of chrysanthemum. ठीक. Next, rhizome, that is perennial fleshy underground stem which continues its growth indefinitely in the soil, producing new leaves during favorable season, for example Dirotaris. Clear? Rhizome. Next, that is corm. Corm बोलते हैं कि बच्चे, that is corm. Short, thick, swollen, usually unbranched or subspherical underground stem which grow vertically in the soil and formed annually, for example freesia. Then next, fourth tuber, stem tuber, that is underground stem which does not bear adventitious root, for example potato, Solanum tuberosum, ये रहा बेटा, because it has node eyes from which new bud develop. Last one is bulb, that is underground pyriform spherical structure that possess reduced or slightly conical disc shaped stem, for example onion, that is tunicated bulb of onion. Clear? Then modification of aerial stem, stem tendril, thread-like structure which coil around a support, help in climbing. There are four types: axillary, clear, and extra axillary, leaf opposed and floral bud. ठीक. स्टेम थॉर्न भी इसमें आते हैं. ये पाइलोक्लेट्स, दैट इज फ्लैटेंड अपनशिया, ये देखो बेटा, and cladophils, that is green stem of limited growth, here ruscus. Clear? Last, thalamus, that is floral part that contains sepal, petal, stamen and cup. Last one, functions of stem: support leaves, flowers and fruits, connect water and mineral from root to leaves and fruits, and food manufactured in the leaves is transported to root, fruits and other parts, and storage. Last one, every year it adds new cell, tissue or organ which are required for the main function of the conducting function of the continued function of the plant. Okay beta, it is all about the modification of stem. If any doubt, you can contact me. Thanks.